Would you like to learn these details about Main Street Capital, credit rating, various ratios and financial data, portfolio, dividend and dividend growth, long-term strategy and investments, the most important news from recent times, and whether it is currently recommended as an investment? If so, stay with me, and in this video, I'll answer all your questions. Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing a company called Main Street Capital, and together, we'll try to figure out if it's recommended for investment at its current stock price. Main Street Capital, founded in 2007, is a business development company that provides debt and equity financing to lower middle market companies across the United States. The company focuses on supporting small and mid-sized businesses by offering growth capital, acquisition financing, and recapitalization solutions. Main Street generates revenue primarily from interest income on loans and equity investments in its portfolio companies, which span various industries like logistics, technology, healthcare, and consumer services. It pays a $3 dividend every year, distributed monthly, with the next dividend payment on February 14th. Anyone who owns shares as of February 7th will be eligible for this payment. In addition, the company usually pays a special dividend quarterly, which is currently 30 cents per quarter. The starting dividend is currently 5%, which may seem high, but it is below the 5-year average. The price-to-earnings ratio is also higher than the 5-year average, as well as the sector average. Based on these factors, the company may appear slightly overvalued. Last year, it outperformed the S&P 500. The most recent dividend increase was 2%, and it has been around 4% over the past 5 and 10 years. The payout ratio remains within a healthy range year after year, and earnings per share is showing an upward trend. Return on equity and return on invested capital have both been in a healthy range for years. Debt levels may seem slightly high. In summary, the company appears to be slightly overvalued, but it still offers a 5% starting dividend yield, making it a potential long-term investment, especially for those who prefer companies with a high, seemingly secure dividend yield and who raise their dividends annually. Additionally, special dividends are a bonus. The credit rating is BBB-, which is considered good, and based on the data seen earlier, often seems reliable. Main Street Capital's investment objectives focus on the following: high cash yield from secured debt investments, dividend income, value appreciation, and periodic capital gains from equity investments. Investments are structured around 3 key goals: capital protection, high recurring income, significant capital gain potential. Through partnerships with businesses, management teams, and entrepreneurs, they provide highly customized financing solutions, including capital raising, buyouts, growth, and acquisition capital. Investments have low correlation to broader debt and equity markets, offering attractive risk-adjusted returns. Main Street Capital aims for long-term partnerships, resulting in a highly diversified and high-quality investment portfolio. Main Street Capital's portfolio is highly diversified across various sectors, which helps to reduce risk and increase stability. The company invests primarily in lower middle market companies across a wide range of industries, allowing them to benefit from the growth potential in different areas of the economy. Main Street Capital announces that during the fourth quarter of 2024, Main Street originated new or increased commitments in its private loan portfolio of $123.4 million and funded total investments across its private loan portfolio with a cost basis totaling $108.0 million. As of December 31, 2024, Main Street's private loan portfolio included total investments at cost of approximately $2.0 billion across 91 unique borrowers. The private loan portfolio, as a percentage of cost, included 95.4% invested in first lien debt investments and 4.6% invested in equity investments or other securities. Disclaimer: this video does not constitute investment advice. Do not make decisions based solely on the content of this video. Always do your own research to determine whether a company aligns with your investment strategy and portfolio. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Financial Freedom. We're building a community of investors who share knowledge and strive for financial independence together. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation. Until next time, stay focused on your financial goals. And remember, financial freedom is just around the corner.